Yeah, say here how to use group by and having classes. So let us say we have the data like this: employee number, employee name, salary, job, and so on, so department number from EMP table. Here what I want to do is department number wise I want to see number of employees. So we have to apply group by class on department number. See here, select, you are displaying department number and you are counting number of employees under each department from EMP. Just use group by department number. Finish. Department number wise it will display number of employees. Now here it is displaying the information based on department number in reverse order, but I want to see that data according to the order of department number, order by department number. Finish. So under 10 3 employees are there, under 20 5 employees, under 30 6 employees are there. Now I want to extend the group by class applicability. See, I want to apply group by class on more than one column. How should I apply? Under each department I want to find out the number of employees for each job category. Means under 10th department how many number of clerks, under 10th department how many number of managers, like that. Let us see, select, I want to see department number, okay, and I want to see job of employee, and I want to find out number of employees from each department under each job category from EMP. And group by, you are grouping data based on department number value. Under each department you are grouping similar jobs. Okay, order by department number comma job again. Run it. See here, under 10 one clerk is there, under 10 one manager is there, under same department number 10 one president is there. Okay, okay, that's fine. Now see, after select query, after select keyword, you are using two columns under department number, under consider the job also. Can I remove any one column from select? Let us see. After group by, two columns are there. Here I am going to use only one column. Is it possible or not? From EMP, group by, order by. Say here, you are getting, but what is 10 1 10 1? The data is meaningless. Okay, after select I am keeping two columns, job and so on so, but after group by I am not listing job column. So is it valid or not? It's invalid. So after select keyword, whatever the column names you are specifying, same column names should appear after group by, must appear after group by. Remember that, otherwise it is known as invalid group by expression. Okay, that's fine. You have the data output like this. Okay, but what is my next requirement is, under a department number for a particular job category, if there exist at least 2 employees, again I am repeating, under a department number for a particular job category, if there exist at least 2 employees, then only display output. So for a particular job category, if there are below 2 employees, I don't want to see the output. Means this is the output you are getting by applying group by. On that group by you are filtering data. In the group by output you are making filtrations. How should I? By using having class. Select, you are selecting department number, comma, and you are grouping the data based on job also, and you are finding number of employees, count star value in the sense it's a number of employees, EMPS, from EMP table, group by. First group the data based on department number, next group the data based on job. Having the count star value should be minimum 2, greater than or equal to 2, and order the data, order by department number, comma, job. Now say here, the above output is filtered or not? Yes. Now the current query is displaying department number and job of the employee. Under each job, if there exist at least 2 employees, then only it is displaying the output. Otherwise it is not displaying output. Okay? Yeah, in this way you can apply group by class on multiple columns. Having class to filter group by output, and remember, without group by don't apply having class. Having class should not be applicable on table data, only it is applicable on group by output. If you want to make some filtrations on table data, we must use where class. Remember this point. Okay. So this is what about group by and having classes. Now what is our next requirement is, what is force view, what are inline views, and what is materialized view. Let us see what are the views already created. Here we have created view underscore salesman and view underscore customer account information. Only 2 views we have created. Now I want to create a force view. Here sales table is not there. In our schema there is no sales table, but I want to create a view for future reference. I want to create a view for future reference. In future I will create a table sales, but right now I want to create a view based on sales. Generally view is a dependent object. Without a table we cannot create a view, but I want to create a view and keep it aside. In such cases, create force view. See, let me try to create normal view. Create view. So here VW underscore sales as select star from sales. It will raise error message, table or view does not exist, but I want to create it and keep it aside. Yeah, then create it as a force view. Just use the keyword force, and as I am selecting the data, customer ID, product ID and time ID, and also total sales amount, sum of sales amount. Table is not there, columns are also not available, but still I want to create the view based on this data. Here consider the sales transaction date should be today date. So where sales date is equal to sys date. So I want to create this. See here, view created with compilation errors. Okay, means you have successfully created the view, but the view is not valid until table will be created. Now if you check select star from tab, Let me find out what are the views. Here view W underscore sales also you are seeing. If you are working with a GUI based SQL GUI based client tool, in that GUI based client tool you can see a red crossed circle on force view. A red crossed circle means the view is not valid. Okay. Now what is a materialized view? Materialized view used to perform business analysis, and also materialized view is created based on aggregated values, and materialized view is useful to perform business analysis. Let me create a materialized view based on employee table, let us assume. So create materialized view mat underscore VW. So on the table EMP, as department wise I want to maintain total salary, maximum salary, minimum salary, average salary. Yeah. So minimum of sal. Here as the title is lowest underscore sal, comma. Next, maximum of sal, as the title is highest underscore sal, comma. Average sal, as AVG underscore sal, comma. Total salary, sum of sal, as total underscore sal, from EMP. Okay. And department number wise I want to maintain, but that was not listed in that. Okay, no problem. Minimum salary of all employees, so and so. Okay, no issues. Let me create it. It is saying insufficient privileges. You should get the permission from DBA. Go and get the permission. So let me connect to system, and it was connected. So he is giving permission to me. Grant create materialized view to Dinesh. Grant succeeded, and now let me connect to Dinesh. Welcome. And it was connected. Now let me create, yeah, department number wise I want to maintain minimum salary, maximum salary, average salary, sum. Okay, let me rewrite the query. Create materialized view mat underscore VW underscore EMP, as first select the department number, comma. Next, department number wise minimum salary, minimum of salary. The title it should maintain under view is lowest salary, lowest underscore sal, and maximum salary as highest underscore sal, and average salary AVG of sal as AVG of sal. Next, sum of salary means total salary. Here as total underscore sal. Okay. From EMP, this is I am doing from EMP table. Group by department number. Group by department number. and order by department number, DEPT NO. That's it. Materialized view created. Okay, it contains the data physically. Remember that. Okay. So can I select the data from materialized view? Select star from view mat underscore VW underscore EMP. See here, this is the data you are maintaining. Department number 10, least salary 1300, highest salary 5000. So generally materialized views are created based on aggregations of business data. Thereby they will easily compare these aggregations with other aggregations, or they will try to compare one business period aggregations with other business period aggregations. Thereby they can identify, okay, in this period total sales is this. In this business period, total sales, quarter 1 business period, total sales is 10 lakhs. Quarter 2 business period, total sales is 25 lakhs. What was the growth percentage? 50. What was the total increment sales amount? 15 lakhs increment is there. More than 50% of 75% increment in sales transactions, sales amounts. Okay, for that reason they will maintain materialized view. Right. And next type of view is inline view. What is inline view? Yeah, if you want to select normal data from one table and I want to select aggregated data from other table, normal data from one table, aggregated data from other table, generally it is not possible simply by using group by. See, I want to display department details. I want to display department details. D dot DEPT NO, comma D dot D name, comma D dot location. This is the department details. And department number wise number of employees, count star, count of E dot star, E dot star from EMP E, comma DEPT D, where what is the condition? E dot department number is equal to D dot department number, and group by department number wise you are saying group by E dot DEPT NO. It's not valid. Invalid username, something, table name, so and so. Okay, let me change that count star. Okay. Again wrong, just a moment. Okay. Group by E dot DEPT NO. See here, not a group by expression. It is not a group by expression. Why? Because under group by you are listing only one column, E dot DEPT NO, but under select you are listing 3 columns. It's not valid. Okay. So whatever the columns you are listing at select, the same number of columns and same columns should appear after group by, otherwise it is invalid. In this case we should write a inline query, but I want the output like that. Get all department details. Under each department detail full information is there, department ID, department name, department location. Continuously it has to display number of employees. How should I? Select star from, open the query, write down the query here, select, I want to select a department number, DEPT NO, comma, count of employees. So here from EMP, group by department number. This is the query. For this query, we are placing one alias name A, comma, I want to take the data from department table, normal data, that is B. So you are selecting data from two tables. So you should write a join query. A dot department number is equal to B dot department number. See here. Department details it is giving, and also aggregated data from EMP table also you are getting. Normal data from department table and aggregated data from DEPT table. Sorry. Normal data from DEPT table and aggregated data from EMP table. Okay, suppose if you want to see these two columns at the end of this output, same query, let me change a small thing. Yeah. Select star from A and so on. So, okay, it will not like this. Just a moment. Select star from, first specify DEPT A, comma, and here I am writing a select query. Okay, by DEPT NO. So this is B. Right, and after that where A dot department number is equal to B dot department number. See here. First it is getting the data from department table, later it is getting the aggregated data from EMP table. This is called as inline view. You can also apply same scenario for different tables. Get normal data from company details table and aggregated data from product details table. Yes, you can get. Yeah, so let us see that point also. Let me write the query. Before that, let me check. Select star from company details table. These are the companies. And select star from product details. These are the products. What is my point is display company details, normal data. I want to see normal data along with the number of products from each company. Number of products from each company. How should I? Same scenario as previous. Select star from, I want to select the data from company details table, C, comma, open the query. This is an inline view. Select company ID. Company ID is not there. Just a moment. Here you have the company code. Yeah. This is company code and that is also company code. Select company code, comma, number of products, count star, from, what is the table name? Product details. Okay. Group by, you are grouping the products based on company code. Yes. For this, the alias name is P, where C dot company code is equal to P dot company code. It is saying table or view does not exist. C dot company code is equal to details. Yeah, here there is a spelling mistake, prod actually. Here I type a spelling mistake, PROC. Let me change it. So where condition, where C dot company code is equal to P dot company code. See here, company details, normal data from company table, and what is the product details you are getting? Number of products from each company you are getting here. In this way you can write inline queries. That's all for today video. Thank you very much.